don't you just go ahead and ask me?
I'll believe you. If you let me talk to him.
No, he did this last time. I don't think he's having a seizure. Poopy. Need one more time for the camera. Come on. Gonna do it again?